Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Katy, aka Tattooed Mama here on YouTube. If you're new here, welcome. I should have named my channel Hotness Mama, but I'm pretty sure that name was already taken. But, anyway, I feel like I always call myself a hot mess. I pretty much always am a hot mess. Besides videos you see me do my makeup. Then, I kind of have my shit together. But today, I'm so excited because I'm going to be doing another speed clean video for you guys. I recently posted one. I will post it right over here. I'll actually be making a separate playlist, so you guys can go check that playlist out. But, because I've done a few on my channel already. But you guys seem to really love the speed clean videos, so I thought I would just start doing more. And it kind of has really motivated me to do certain projects around my house that I've been wanting to do that just haven't gotten around to, and knowing that, hey, I can have you guys like join me and I can film this, it just makes it a lot funner, and I love watching speed clean videos. So today I'm going to be taking down some decorations upstairs in my beauty room, my Christmas decorations, and then putting up new decorations. One side, as you will probably see, is my more like skull side. You know, I love tattoos. I love like everything kind of dark. And then some days I like more of like a fresh plants, you know, kind of feel like super girly kind, because that's kind of like my style. So I'm going to set it up like that. And then I need to go through my drawers in my bedroom and fold some laundry, and then take out tons of clothes that I'm not going to be, that I don't wear anymore. I need to like declutter my clothes majorly. Sorry, the heater is coming on. But yeah, I'm so excited to be doing another one of these videos. If you guys do like this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up and subscribe. Let me know down below if you guys want to see more of these videos, because I will do more for you guys. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy.
In the corner of the room, not ready to
here's my dresser. I got all of this organized, this one organized, all the pants like you saw organized, and so far this is my get rid of pile, and there is tons of clothes.
I've been running away from you. I've been trying to keep my cool.
Alright, like I said, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. That was part of it. I still have more that I want to do, but I'm going to just continue uploading these videos for you guys because I really was thinking about it, and I really do enjoy these videos like I already mentioned. So I'm just going to keep them coming. But if you guys want to see any like specific videos, always comment them down below. I would love to do more for you guys. And yeah, I can't thank you enough for all you guys' support and for coming on here even when I'm looking crazy. But I will see you guys in the next video. Toodaloo.